The kettlebell is a cast steel or cast iron ball with a handle attached to the top. It is used to perform many types of exercises, including ballistic exercises that combine cardiovascular, strength and flexibility training. If you are new to strength training or have never used a kettlebell, fitness professionals suggest to use the following weight kettlebells. For females, 8 to 15 pounds kettlebell. And for men, 15 to 25 pounds kettlebell. With a light kettlebell at first, you can focus on using the right forms and techniques for different exercises. Once you get used to the right form for each exercise, you can always increase the weight. For intermediate to advanced levels of strength training, fitness professionals suggest to use the following weight kettlebells. For females, 18 pounds kettlebell, and for men, 35 pounds kettlebell. Try to do these exercises a couple of times a week. Start by doing 6 to 8 repetitions of each exercise. Try adding repetitions every week, then try to add more sets as you build strength. We will now talk about the different kinds of kettlebell workouts. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more future health and fitness update. Number 1. Deadlifts. These exercises target the gluteal muscles or glutes in your buttocks, the large muscles in the front of your thigh, and the muscles in your back. To do this, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Place a kettlebell just outside each foot on the floor. Engage your abdominal muscles and lower your shoulders as you try to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Push your hips back and bend your knees to reach the kettlebell handle. Hold the kettlebell and keep your arms and back straight. Raise your body slowly until you are standing straight. Pause and inhale before lowering. Repeat this 6 to 8 times. Start by doing 1 set and progress to 3 to 4 sets while building strength. Number 2. Kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing works on the arms and shoulders, but it actually works more on the gluteal and quadriceps. This is a great exercise to improve both muscle strength and cardiovascular health. Your shoulders and arms do most of the work, but most effort should come from your hips and legs. You may need to use a lighter weight to begin with, to get used to the movement and technique. Once you get used to this exercise, you can switch to a heavier weight. Be sure to maintain a firm grip on the kettlebell throughout this exercise. To do this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, with a kettlebell between your feet. Engage your abdominal muscles and set your shoulders back. Push your hips back and bend your knees. Grab and hold the kettlebell with both arms. Exhale as you make an upward movement to swing the kettlebell out in front of you. Your arms should finish parallel to the floor. Lower your body, bringing the kettlebell down between your calves. Repeat for 20 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds, then repeat for another 20 seconds. Try to do 6 to 7 sets of 20 seconds each. 3. Kettlebell goblet squat. Squats are excellent lower body exercise that train the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, gluteal and abdominal muscles. Using kettlebells increases the effort of squats. To do this exercise, stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders and your toes slightly pointed out. Hold the kettlebell with both hands on the side of the handle, not on the top of the handle, and hold it near your chest. Gently bend both knees so that your thighs are approximately parallel to the floor. Lock your elbows and straighten your back. Use your leg muscles, straighten up to your starting position. Repeat 6 to 8 times. Start by doing 1 set and progress to 3 to 4 sets while building strength. Number 4. Kettlebell walking lunge. Like traditional lunges, kettlebell walking lunges targets gluteal muscles and hamstrings. It is also an effective balance exercise. To do this exercise, stand with your feet together. Hold the kettlebell with both hands and place it near your chest. Alternatively, you can hold the kettlebell with one or both hands and your arms at your sides. Slowly move forward with your left foot and bend your knees with your right foot still in place. Be careful not to let your left knee extend over your toes. Pause for a few seconds, then push your body up and place your right foot next to your left foot. Keep alternating the legs on each lunge. Do one set of 6 to 8 repetitions on each leg. Try to do 3 to 4 sets as you build up strength. Number 5. Russian twist. A great exercise for working your abs and obliques. The Russian twist can also be done with a weighted medicine ball or barbell plate. When using a kettlebell, be sure to keep a firm grip so that you don't drop it on your lap. To do this exercise, sit with your legs bent and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the kettlebell handle with both hands, lean back so that your torso is at about a 45-degree angle to the floor. With your heels a few inches above the floor, rotate your torso from right to left, swinging the kettlebell slightly across your body. Rotate from side to side 6 to 8 times. When you've completed your repetitions, return to your starting position. Do one set to start. Try to work up to 3 to 4 sets as you build your strength. Number 6. Kettlebell push-ups. Push-ups are intended for the chest, triceps, and core muscles. Keep your wrists in a neutral position and stop if you feel your wrists cannot support your weight. To do this exercise, place the 2 kettlebells on the floor about shoulder width apart. Grab each handle and get into the push-ups position. Keeping your back straight and your upper body rigid, lower your body toward the floor. When your chest is even with the kettlebell handles, exhale and push your body back up to its starting position. Always be careful not to arch your back. Repeat 6 to 8 times and do one set to start. Try to do 3 to 4 sets as you get stronger. Number 7. Kettlebell shoulder press. The shoulder press trains not only the shoulders but also the triceps. Use safe weight that you can manage for this exercise. To do this exercise, stand with your feet separated by shoulder width. Hold the kettlebell with the handle so that it leans against the outside of your shoulders. The palm side of your hand should be facing your chin. While exhaling, push the kettlebell upward so that your arm is almost straight. Slowly lower the kettlebell to its starting position, keeping your wrist and forearm in a neutral position and your elbow close to your body. Do 6 to 8 repetitions with one arm and then switch arms. Do one set with each arm to begin. Try to work up to 3 to 4 sets for each arm as you gain strength. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Which of these kettlebell workouts is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.